Okay, we're now going to move on to our TCT Women in 3D Printing Innovator Award, which is now in its 4th year. The award shines a spotlight on the female innovators who are leading the charge in the world of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. The TCT and Women in 3D Printing communities put forward their nominations to produce a shortlist of 5 finalists who have shown passion, expertise, and innovation in their work within the industry. The winner from this extraordinary lineup has been determined by a public vote. And to announce the winner of the TCT Women in 3D Printing Innovator Award 2024, please welcome to the stage Nora Touré, the founder of Women in 3D Printing, to say a few words. Nora.
Thank you, Dallas. Good evening, everyone. It's nice to be in this room. So if you are not familiar with Women in 3D Printing, we are a movement of individuals from all over the globe, from diverse backgrounds, gender identities, and socioeconomic backgrounds, who have come together to have a stronger voice in the additive manufacturing industry. While I am personally pleased to see more women in this room today, we still have a lot of work to do. And we work to ensure that no one feels excluded while working in, learning about, or being inspired by this world-changing technology. Women in 3D Printing champions women leaders in the additive manufacturing industry, and this TCT Women in 3D Printing Innovator Award is a perfect representation and celebration of our mission. For the fourth consecutive year, we proudly collaborate with TCT to honor our female innovators in additive manufacturing. These awards recognize women who are trailblazers in their field, driving advancements and innovation in 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Now, before we proceed with the presentation of this year's Women in 3D Printing Innovator Award, I'd like to take a moment to extend our gratitude to our sponsor, EOS. EOS shares a commitment to promote and support women leaders in Innovator, making them the perfect partner for this endeavor. So we're truly grateful for EOS, and I'd like to welcome Davide Iacovelli on stage to present the award with me. Now, we've had phenomenal nominees this year, and selecting a winner was quite hard, and I'm doing it every year, part of the committee, and it doesn't get any easier year over year. So this year's award is presented to an accomplished business leader with over 20 years of experience across multiple industries, to a woman who worked hard on providing cutting-edge technology and solutions to improve and save patient lives for almost a decade, and who is currently leading one of the most innovative companies in 3D printing. It is my honor and pleasure to present this year's TCT Women in 3D Printing Innovator Award to Brigitte de Vet.
Well, thank you, TCT, and thank you, Women in 3D Printing, not only for this award, but also for the amazing work you're doing for the women in this industry. And there truly are a great number of great women in this industry. And my fellow nominees certainly are amongst them. So Cora, Melissa, Olga, Nesma, your contributions and innovations have been truly inspiring, and it's a great honor to be in your company. Now, this award really goes to the women and men at Materialise. They are the true innovators. Innovation is in our DNA. It's actually even in our tagline. And they're great people to work with. They're actually on table 5. Great applause for you guys. Thank you. Now, that being said, innovation really is only meaningful if we manage to create impact and to create meaningful value. Now, I came to 3D printing only 8 years ago when I joined Materialise to lead the medical business, where we treat patients with patient-specific devices. And I've had the honor to witness the value we can create on patients' lives, and actually the lives of their families and their whole environment as well with these devices. More than 600,000 patients that we've treated and counting. And that is truly gratifying. Now, as I move through a new role of the CEO of Materialise beginning of this year, I talked to a lot of people, partners, stakeholders, customers, our employees, to understand how our innovations can continue to create meaningful value. And it's become really clear to me that convincing people of the value of 3D printing is yesterday's challenge. Today, what people worry about and struggle with is the adoption of AM and scaling AM cost-effectively and at levels of quality that are repeatably according to the levels that we require. That's the true challenge. That's what we call the shift from the why to the how. And of course, we can offer solutions to some of those questions and struggles. We as Materialise can, many other companies in this room can. But as an industry, we still, as Laura said earlier, we're still making it hard. 3D printing is hard. And as an industry, we need to unite to make it easier, simpler, faster to adopt AM. We all believe in the transformative power of 3D printing. I think that's why we're here, why we're in this industry. And as individuals and as companies, we've pushed the boundaries of innovation, and we need to continue to do that. But if we truly want to unlock the potential of additive manufacturing, we need to collaborate in new ways. We need to come together, share data, create connections, create ecosystems that make it easy for people to adopt and scale. And that's what I hope to see in the next couple of years. Yes, innovation, but ideally innovation on the ways we collaborate, on the ways we share, and on the ways we drive this industry forward. That's what I'm looking for, and I believe that that's what's going to create meaningful value in the next couple of years and the future to come. Thank you all.